Okay, everybody, so let's talk a little bit about what it takes to pass the Salesforce Administrator exam. So, there's going to be 60 multiple choice questions, and 5 of them are going to be non-scored, meaning there's really going to be 55 questions on the exam that are going to be counted towards your grade. You're going to get 105 minutes to complete the exam, which is 1 hour and 45 minutes. You need a 65% to pass the exam. So if there are 55 questions that are going to be actually scored, then you need to get just over 35 questions right to pass the exam. The first time you take the exam, it's $200. And then the retake fee, if you don't pass the exam the first time, is $100. You can take the exam online or in person, and if you're in person, you just need to find a testing center that's near to you, and if you take it online, then you need to follow the guidelines to take the exam online. You can't reference any online materials during the exam. So if you're in person, you can have a piece of paper and a pencil, but if you're online, then you cannot have anything in front of you. So I always encourage people to take the exam in person because you can at least write things down. There's no prerequisite to take the Salesforce Administrator exam. You can take the exam today if you want to, as long as you sign up. So that's what it takes to pass the exam. I'll leave the link to this in the description below so that you can check this out and read it yourself.